Good morning. I want to show you how to download the latest Microsoft Office 2024. So you start by going to Microsoft Customization Tool. So the first option that Google shows you, you go there, you click it, and then you start this way. If your system is a 32-bit system, you choose this. And if your system is a 64-bit machine, you choose the second option. So you go to which products and apps do you want to deploy. I may not have to say much, but just follow what I'm clicking. So here is Microsoft LTSC standard 2024 volume license. You choose this. If you want Visio, you add Visio, and make sure you're choosing the standard edition. Okay, so we may also add project. Choose the standard edition. That will be all for now. Then you come down. Whatever you don't want here. If you don't want Excel, you toggle it off. But want Excel. If you don't want OneNote, you toggle it off. OneDrive desktop, I would not want it. All I want is Excel. All I want is Excel, PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, and Publisher. So you click next, language, select primary language, English United States. This is advisable for most machines because that's how most people profiled their PCs. So you go to next, then you come down, next. So here it says uninstall any Microsoft installer versions of Office, including Visio project. Leave it on this way. What it means is that if you have a previous edition of any of these Microsoft products on your machine already, it's going to uninstall them so it doesn't cause a conflict, because you can't have two Microsoft Words on your system at the same time. It's going to cause conflict. So just go to next. Don't click anything here. Next, next, next. Just go down. Next, next. Then you come down and say finish. Then you go to export. Once you're done with your configuration and your customization, you click finish and then you go to export. It shows you this screen, and then you go to Office Open Excel format. Click OK, and then it shows you this agreement, license agreement terms. You click, you check the box, and then click export. You see here that your machine has downloaded this. Okay, so you go to the folder that contains this, and then you copy this, copy this file, or if you want you can cut, but I'll just copy it. Mind you, I already have this Microsoft Office edition on my machine. So here I'll create a folder and name it whatever I like. Microsoft this is the folder I'm using. Then we open. Okay, so here I'm going to paste the configuration that I just downloaded. So instead of having this configuration one, I'll advise you remove the one. Just name it properly. Why it's showing that one as a suffix is because I already have this configuration file downloaded for the current version that I'm using. That's why it has that one. It created a copy of it rather than having two files that have the same names. So we come out of here, we'll close this folder, go back to our browser. Then we go to say Microsoft deployment tool. So come here, Office deployment tool, click the first option. Yes, and we come here, just go to this download. That goes to, you see, we'll go to the download folder again and copy. Like I said, you can cut these files rather than copy them because you don't want to have both the original copy and the copy, everywhere on your system. So here we have copied the deployment tool to the Microsoft Office on our desktop folder. So you click here, the Office deployment tool, and you're going to, yes, it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes? You see yes. Then click on here to accept the terms. Okay, it is an extraction that it wants to make, so it's asking you for a location. You go to your desktop, and look for Microsoft Office. Just tap the folder, click OK. You will see that it extracts everything to this same, yes, to this same folder. So now you have the setup file, executable file in this folder. Now that you have this, come to this address and just copy this address. Press Ctrl C when you've highlighted it. Close the file. Then come to command prompt. Press your Windows button and use CMD. Once you tap CMD, run as administrator. Say yes. Then say change directory. That's CD space Control V. That's the address where the setup file is contained. So to start your Microsoft Office download, you press or you type setup / configure space capital C configuration .xml. Mr. Nibabe, press enter. AC. Oh, so we have a mistake on it. Setup / configure space capital C configuration XML. Yes, enter. So you see, we're getting things ready. So you see, please stay online while Microsoft and Office downloads. So you should see that this gets through to the end. And once it gets to the end, all it will tell you is that we are all set. And then shows you a place to click either OK or finish. And then you click it, and then you have your Microsoft Office on your machine for free. No activation license required. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and share.